Hello everyone and welcome to another Meta Ads tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to set up the Metapixel with a new Google Tag Manager Metapixel template. We are going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So first step, we're going to log in to our Meta Ads Manager and we need to navigate to Events Manager. So from the left hand side, whether you are on the Business Manager or the Meta Business Suite, same thing. You're going to click to All Tools and you are going to open the Events Manager. Now, if you don't see the Events Manager up here, you are going to look for it under Advertise. Right here, you can see Events Manager. You're going to click on it and you're going to open it. Once you go to Events Manager, you can go under Datasets and you are going to see all the metapixels that you have. If you don't have a metapixel, you are going to create one. From here, all we need to do is to copy our metapixel ID. So we are going to copy the metapixel ID, this little number that you see here, this string of numbers basically. So we're going to copy it. And the next thing, we are going to go to our Google Tag Manager. Once we come to a Google Tag Manager, we're going to click on Tags and we're going to create a new tag. We're going to name this tag Metapixel, or you can give it any name that you like. And we're going to click on Tag Configuration. Here on Tag Configuration, we're going to click on this blue line and we're going to go to the Template Gallery. Now that we are in the Template Gallery, we're going to search for Metapixel. So we want the template and you're going to find basically Metapixel by Facebook. So you need to select this template, the Metapixel by Facebook. You want to click on it. You want to add it to your Google Tag Manager and you're going to choose this template. You're not going to do anything else here. You're simply going to add it to your Tag Manager and you're going to choose this template. Now you are going to come to this screen, which is basically the tag configuration. You're going to paste the Metapixel ID right here in this box under the Facebook Pixel ID. If you want, you can enable also the enhanced e-commerce data layer integration and use GA4 data layer integration. You're not going to change anything else. And when it comes to triggering, you're going to click on it and you are going to select either all pages or initialization all pages. So we're going to select all pages here. We're going to add, and that's it. That's how easy it is to set up Metapixel with a new Metapixel template in Google Tag Manager. From here, we're going to save the configuration and don't forget to submit and publish your container for everything to go live. That's all. That's how you can set up Metapixel with the Google Tag Manager Metapixel template. So one more time, job number one, you're going to go to your Facebook Ads Manager, your Meta Ads Manager. You're going to go to Events Manager. From here, you need to copy the Metapixel ID. Then in Google Tag Manager, under tags, you are going to create a new tag. You're going to click on tag configuration. You're going to go to the template gallery. You're going to use the search bar to find basically the Metapixel template by Facebook. You're going to add it to your tag manager, choose this template. This is where your ID goes. You're going to enable these two options. You're going to select either all pages or initialization all pages. You are going to save, submit, publish, and that's all. That's how easy it is to do this job with a new Metapixel template. Now, is this any different versus, let's say, using custom HTML or versus, let's say, installing Metapixel directly if you are using Wix or any other technology? The only difference here is that this template is configured to communicate better with Google Analytics, and also it takes into account consent for the European market. So ideally, especially if you are in a European market, this is the recommended way of setting up Metapixel through Google Tag Manager. So that's all. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.